Have you ever looked at an old photo and thought, man, I wish I could experience what it was like back then? Or maybe you've just wanted to see your favorite celebrity rocking a totally different historical look. Well, today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary that makes those dreams a reality. Virtually, anyway. Get ready to have your minds blown by Nano Banana. To show you what I mean, let's take a familiar face. The one and only Chris Evans. Now, we all know him as Captain America, a modern-day hero. But what if we wanted to see him in the shoes of someone facing a completely different kind of crisis? First, I went to aistudio.google.com and selected the Try Nano Banana option. Then I uploaded an image of Christ Evans. Headshot is ideal for this purpose because it will help AI to recreate your facial features effectively. Following this, I inputted my challenge to Nano Banana. Transform Chris Evans into a 1920s banker with a pinstripe suit, slicked back hair, a pocket watch, and the weary look of someone facing the Wall Street crash and the Great Depression. He should be standing outside on the pedestrian path of a busy Wall Street area. The atmosphere is gloomy and reeks of the unknown disaster ahead. Then I clicked the enter button and waited for a few minutes. Look at that! The pinstripe suit, the slicked back hair, that subtle glint of a pocket watch chain, and that expression, the weariness, the concern in his eyes. And the background? Wall Street, the gloomy atmosphere. Nano Banana didn't just put him in a suit, it captured the essence of the era and the impending disaster. It's phenomenal. Now, you might be wondering, how does it do that? Without getting too technical, Nano Banana uses a sophisticated blend of AI algorithms trained on millions of historical images and artistic styles. You input your source image and your descriptive prompt, and its neural networks get to work, understanding your request and generating hyper-realistic details. It's like having the world's best costume designer, set designer, and makeup artist, all powered by AI. But it's not just for celebrities. You could take your photo and transport yourself. Imagine turning your friend into a roaring 20s flapper or your dog into a medieval knight. The possibilities are endless. So, beyond just being super cool, what are the potential uses for Nano Banana? Think about filmmakers needing quick concept art, historical educators bringing lessons to life, or even just artists exploring new creative avenues. It's a tool that breaks down creative barriers. If you enjoyed this peek into the future of image transformation, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.